There is a dish that every German kid from the East grew up eating, but almost nobody outside of Germany knows it exists. We are talking about Wurstgulasch, so sausage goulash. It's cheap, it's fast and ridiculously good. And it comes from a time where the Germans had to get creative. Very creative. The star of the show are the Frankfurter or Bologna sausage, and the rest are the sauce ingredients. But look at this. Yes, this is ketchup, and I'll explain this later. To make it less sharp, we're going to also add some crème fraîche, and now it's going to get very exotic. Garlic. This is crazy for Germans. Let's start with the sausages. Slice sausages into bite-sized rounds. Chop the onions and dice bell peppers. And here's the thing that you really need to understand about this dish. In the GDR, many ingredients were just not available or hard to come by. Meat was expensive and also sometimes not available. But sausages, every butcher, every shop and every canteen counter had them. So East German cooks did what all resourceful people would do. They adapted. Now we cook margarine in a pan. Oh, that's already hot. Followed by onions and a pinch of salt. Then the bell peppers. This dish was a canteen staple. Every school, every factory and every office in Eastern Germany had the Betriebsküche, a works canteen. And Wurstgulasch was on the menu constantly. And no, not because it was fancy, because it was practical. One pot, cheap ingredients, beats many, and it tastes like someone actually cared about your lunch. Now it's time for the meat. The bacon cubes. Another 2 minutes here. And I'm going to say that very clearly. In Germany, we never fry smoked sausages and meat on high heat. So please use the medium one. There is a video in which I explain all that if you want to watch this next. For this recipe, what you need to know is that you fry this sausage just lightly. Medium heat and patience. Even I wait for this. Now we're going to make the sauce. So tomato paste goes in. That's around 2 tablespoons. We want to brown it for at least 30 seconds. There is a lot of flavor and color that comes from it. Now the broth and chopped tomatoes. Now go in some spices, that's salt and paprika powder, and also garlic. East Germans love garlic. And now the ingredient that I was very excited about, so the East German tomato ketchup. You obviously can use whatever tomato ketchup you have. I think only I can get excited about old food this much. But what you need to know is that in East German cooking, the ketchup wasn't a condiment. It was an ingredient. It added sweetness, acidity, and tomato flavor at once. Therefore, we can't skip it. Fresh tomatoes in winter, not always available. Tomato paste, sometimes too sharp. Ketchup balanced everything. Now we're gonna bring it to a gentle simmer and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. This time, we can take care of the noodles. What I really love about the GDR cooking was that nothing was wasted and nothing was for show. You had sausage, you used the sausage. If ketchup worked better, you used the ketchup. If garlic made the cheap ingredients taste special, you use garlic. There is a certain honesty in this kind of cooking. And sometimes those other dishes, they just stick with you. The dishes that you crave a decade later. Everything is bubbling. The goulash and the noodles. The sauce has thickened and everything smells here like a GDR canteen. And I mean in that best possible way. One last thing, crème fraîche. I don't need much of it, just a little bit. 100 milliliter would do. Look how thick this is. And while this comes together, if you enjoy traditional recipes like this, the one with a story, the ones that actually mean something, I share classic comfort and food every week. So if you haven't subscribed, now's your chance. So this is Wurstgulasch, a dish born out of necessity and kept alive by flavor. Simple, honest, and it deserves to be known outside of Germany. If you have any memories of the GDR canteen food, please let me know in the comments down below. I wish you a lovely week and I see you in my next one. Still so good.